Mrs. Sughrue, I'm so excited about this problem. It says you're having a baby.
That's right, Mrs. Sexton.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
This problem is about you. It says that you're having a baby, but that you have a little bit of a problem, that you need a crib.
I do. I gave my old one away.
Oh, it says that you have been given 4 gift cards for $56 each. And then, but the crib you want here is $194, and you want to know if you have enough money?
I do.
Oh, okay. So what do you think that we should do first?
Well, I would like to draw a bar model because I like pictures.
All right, so let's draw our bar model.
Okay. I know I have 4 gift cards, so let's make sure there's 4 little boxes in there.
Let's make 4 equal parts.
Perfect.
All right, those are her 4 gift cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
And I like to put the number in each box. So I would put 56 in each box because that's how much each gift card was for.
All right, so we have 56, 56, 56, and 56. Now, you could just add 56 plus 56 plus 56 plus 56, right?
I could. Isn't there a faster way?
I think there is. Yeah, instead of doing that, we could do 56 times 4.
I just did this today with my class.
Oh, all right. Well, isn't it cool how the thing that you just did today with your class, like, applies to your life?
I know.
That's so neat. All right, let's figure out how much you have in gift cards.
Okay.
All right. Let's see. So first we want to multiply our ones. And if I multiply my ones, I'm multiplying 4 times 6 ones. And that gives me 24 ones.
Yep.
Now, some of my scholars told me that I couldn't do this.
Oh. Well, you know, Mrs. Sexton, I know that since I have 2 10s, I have to take them and put them on my little top here because I have to put them in with the other 10s. I can't keep it all in one.
Okay.
I have to separate the ones from the 10s.
Great. So now we have our 2 10s up there. Next, we are going to multiply our 10s. So 4 10s times 5 10s is equal to 20 10s.
Yep.
Is that all the 10s we have?
Nope, we have the 2 extra from our ones multiplication problem.
We have 2 extra 10s. So we have 22 10s altogether.
Ooh.
So it looks like you have $224 in gift cards.
Wow, that's generous.
Yeah, that's really cool. So if you have $224 in gift cards and your crib costs $194, it definitely looks like you have enough money.
Sweet deal.
Yeah, you might even have like enough left over to get
something else
that you need for your baby boy, girl.
I don't know yet.
What do you think it is, scholars? We will go ahead. That can be part of your challenge. Do you think that Mrs. Sughrue is having a boy, or do you think that she's having a girl? Let us know along with this next problem. That's so great.
There are 17 people in each 3rd grade class who think I'm going to have a baby boy. How many people think I am having a boy? Now, scholars, remember, there are 4 3rd grade classes.
You're good. Solve this problem tonight and bring it to your teacher tomorrow for a teacher high five.
Woohoo!